it's fine. Okay. Now I will share the screen. You can able to see my screen, right? Okay, you can able to see my screen. Hello, Mitra.
Yes, I can. I can see.
Your voice also breaking, I guess.
Plugging in.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, so here, so it's a last in last topic we have discussed how we can able to integrate from internal to external. Okay, now we are going to do a practical how it will look like, how we can able to do from the basic part, from the basic. So here basic scenario which we need to integrate from internal to external. Internal in the sense Salesforce, and external in the sense other system. Okay. Now what we are doing the scenario, we need to pull the data from the outside of the system. Okay. Now we need to pull the data. We need to pull the data from outside of the system in Salesforce. That is called as a inbound or outbound. Mitra.
Yeah, I can.
That is a now we are doing a scenario. We need to pull the data from the third party system. That is a inbound or outbound.
Okay. Third-party systems inbound.
Sorry,
Inbound.
inbound. Correct.
Yes.
So the data is coming. The data is coming from the outside of the system. From the outside of the system. So it's a we can able to say it's a outbound.
But data is coming from third-party system to
Mm,
Salesforce, right? So it's coming to Salesforce.
correct. It's a inbound. It's a inbound.
In-
Okay. So now let's open our application, third party application, which is Rex. Okay. Regress. Just open the Regress free API. Okay. It's a free API application. The application is giving to us the integration. So we can able to learn very easily and very quickly. Okay. Now, first of all, what you need to do, you need to sign up. Okay. Already I have signed up this one. Okay, so that's why it's showing like this. So you will get here, sorry, here get started is there, right? If you click the get started, right, then it will ask the Gmail. You should have to click the Gmail. Then you need to link your Gmail to this account. So the page it will be look like this. The page it will be look like this. Okay, clear? What we say? What's the name?
Should I do it
Mitra?
parallelly or yeah? Should I do it parallelly?
Sorry?
Should I open replace and sign up
No, no,
parallelly?
don't do it. Don't. First of all, listen,
Okay.
and when after completing, you can practice.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a page. Now here, what is the first thing? We need to find the our middleware. What is the middleware here? API. Where is the API? We need to check first. How we need to check the API. So here we are having this a few options, correct? So in these options only you will get the API. Try your API, then you can able to see. Okay, API ground. Use free API. Okay, if you click API playground, right, then you will get your use free key API. Then this is the API key. Open it, and this is your API key. Copy and paste in Notepad. Okay, paste in the Notepad. Okay, paste in the Notepad. This is the first step. Here's a middleware to us. This is a key. This is a key to us to integrate from one system to other system. He is a middleware, and he only give the data from the from this application to the Salesforce. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now go back. Okay. Now here already we are having a one option. Okay, I will delete this. Okay. Now I need to open a remote set setting. Okay, remote set setting. Just click a new remote set setting, and here I will give regress integrate. Regress integrate. Now we need to paste here our URL. Now I want to I want to pull I want to pull the user APIs. Then so here how we can able to identify the user, like this is domain we can able to insert, but how I can able to find this one? So go to the API, and here you can able to see get API users. Okay, and here we will get there's one option. Okay, so see here we are getting so this is URL. This is a URL. The API is there, right? The API is there here. So instead of the API, we need to insert simple thing, which is the user. The last one, the user. So see here, what you can able to. It's a collection. It's a. These are all the collections. Now I want the user only. So you can able to use the API. So before that, API should be there. It's a mandatory because
How
from
you
the
got that you
sorry.
how you get this URL?
This one, if you open this application, right, then you will able to find your API. In that API section, you can able to you can able to get this URL, or else from here, from the here URL also you can able to get this the URL. Now for example, I want to pull the users. I want to pull the users. Go below. Mm, see here, it's a user. Okay, copy. You can able to see, right? User.
Yeah.
So get what I'm getting here, user. I want to get the user here. Okay. So if I go back to the remote set setting, this is a common HTTP regular.in common. Okay, sorry, from here from till here the common. Now what I want the data, I want the user's data. Just you can able to find the user data here. Okay, means it's a inbuilt. If I click the send request, right, then I can able to see the data because it's a inbuilt overall thing. It's a endpoint. It's a
Mm.
endpoint. So I have given the endpoint in the remote set setting. Means now I'm doing authorization. Now I'm doing the authorization in the sense I'm connecting the system, one system to other system. I'm connecting. If I want to connect means then I should have to get the endpoint URL. Then only I can able to connect. If I click save, now it's connected very successfully to Salesforce to Regress. Clear?
Mm.
Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So now next thing. Now I want to write a code. From the help of the code, I need to pull the data. I know understand very carefully the code. Okay. I think you are not new for the coding part. Okay. So here this is a code which I have wrote already. So I will close this one. I will go through with new code. Apex, regress, integration. Oh, okay. I have now I have created one Apex class here. Now I have created one Apex class. So what is the next step? Though, so here, what I need to do, what I need to put exactly. So I need to declare the method, right? Correct?
Yes.
Public, static, void. Now, what I want the data, I want the user, right? Get user. external data. External data. So this is a method I'm declaring. Now insert that. Now first of all, I want to declare the data. I am declaring, I am getting a data from the third party system. And what is the first step? We have connected the system, one system, other system with the help of the remote set setting is fine. Now what is the next step? I want middleware. I want middleware in string format. So how I can able to, for that I need to declare one variable for as a string data type. In that variable, I need to paste the middleware string. The variable name is, are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a variable name. Sorry, this is a API key. I have pasted. Okay. Now enter. Now this API key is there, right? I'm storing in this variable. Okay. API key. Now the second thing. Now I'm doing a authentication. Authorization is different and authentication is different. Remember this. Authorization means we are connecting the system, one system, other system, and and authentication means we are getting like what data we are getting and where we are getting a data, where we are getting a data in Salesforce. So that I am doing now. So first, when we are doing integration, then the Salesforce having a inbuilt class name that is called it as the HTTP. Okay, HTTP method, sorry, variable equal to new HTTP. Enter. Now, I'm sending a request. For the request also, we're having a different class. The class name is HTTP request. Okay, req equal to new HTTP request. Okay, this is how done. Clear till now,
Yes.
Mitra?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now, in the request, what we are getting? In the request, what we are getting? So, in the request, we want set endpoint. Endpoint. We are requesting. So now the third party system he's requesting, like he's uh, he's waiting he's waiting the request from our side. What request he want endpoint and he wants some values. He was some parameters. Then only he will release his data. If the parameter is matched, then only he will release the data. Now I'm inserting a parameter. What's the parameters here? Set endpoint URL. Okay. Endpoint URL. What is the endpoint URL here?
That can reduce sensitivity.
Yes, like this one. I have wrote right. HTTP dot sorry comma
API.
API. Now users. This is a request I'm sending. Request I'm sending. Sorry. Okay. Next. Now header. Now header. Set header. Header means it will give a Johnson. It will give to us Johnson data. Like it will what in that in this HTTP class, whatever we are sorry, in this HTTP request, these are all the fields. Example. Okay, I want Johnson data exactly. So for that, I need to convert. For the converting purpose, I'm going to take a set header. Just 1 minute, I'm getting call. Hi. Yes, Vira. Yes, Vira. Just okay. See here. See header. Now I want to convert all data in the string format. So I need to use a JSON. In JSON only I can able to see the data, it should be proper as a string format. Okay, so that's why I should have to take a parameter as a set header. Without set header, we can't able to do a we can't able to convert all data in the string format. Okay, so I need to use a setter. I need to use a set header. So it's a standard one. Okay, content and type, content type, comma. Okay, here you can use application JSON. JSON, you know, right? How it's look like.
Yes.
Okay. Now next step. Next step.
What does
Now,
content type means?
sorry.
This content type, what does it mean?
Wait, yes, it's a constant only. It's a constant. It is a constant. Okay. Here, anything missing? No, right? Okay. Now again, I need to use header, and you use another header. HEAD. For what? Can you guess? Okay. So what is the next header it will come? Can you able to guess what we can able to insert here?
No, not sure.
Sorry.
Not sure.
Okay. We need to go through with the API. API also we need to set it a string format. Okay. So here, if you use the set header, right? If you use the set header, it will come automatically the JSON format. JSON format. X API. Okay. Now we need to copy the variable name. We need to copy the variable name. Now next thing, what we are doing, like we are we are inserting a data, or we are updating a data, we are getting a data, or we are deleting data. Now we are what we are doing, we are getting a data. So we need to use get method. So we need to use get method parameter. Request dot set method. Okay. Now here I need to use get. Get in the sense I will use a get method. So we are getting a data from other system to Salesforce. From other system to Salesforce. So that's why I should have to use a get method. Clear? Mitra, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now next method. Now I want to map. I want to map this request in the HTTP class. Okay. HTTP dot sorry yes equal to HTTP dot req send req. See here, HTTP is coming from this instance. Okay, now I'm sending the data in where in REQ. With REQ in this is here. Yes, Abhilash. सर मैं आपको Okay. So here, what we are doing here now, we are adding the request. We are adding the request. Sorry, we are sending the data in the request. So whatever we are getting the data in the request, right? Now we are storing all data in here on this variable. Why means I need to do a debug. I need to do a print. I need to do a print. So I want to get to know what's going on. What is the update exactly? What is the update exactly? Okay. So in this, I will get a status. So how it will look like, how I can able to print system dot debug. Okay, system dot debug response status code. Okay. See, just to practice this one. Okay, we are having a basic coding knowledge, like how we need to use a serialize, how we need to use deserialize, how we need to use serialize pretty. We're having a lot of coding to learn in the integration part. Like why I am showing this one starting means you should have to get to know about basic things. Yes, this is a in this integration, this is the main thing. That's why I'm showing you. Okay, don't go depth. Just understand this concept. Okay. Now plus now here in this variable I want status. So how I can able to pull the status? In this variable I'm having a get status method. Get status code. Okay, get status code. Enter. Same as it is. Copy. Okay. Now get body. Body. See here, get status code. What is the get status code exactly here? See, in that integration, right? In that integration, exactly we want status code. Status code should be 200. Okay, should be 200. Then only the integration is pass. If if 200 above means integration fail. Got it? That's why I'm getting the get status code. Clear, Mitra?
Yes.
Okay. So now what's the error showing? It's showing error, right? What's that exactly? Copy. Okay. Okay. And now it's showing the error. Uh, illegal assignment string response. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Now here I need to use response, man. I want response.
Mm.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. Now I want to debug. See in this response, I'm having a status code. Remember this? In this response only, we are having a status code and body. Okay. I'm having a status code and body. Sorry. I need to set here body. Get body. Get body. Okay. Now I'm getting a status code and we are getting a body from where? From response. From the response. Why the response? I need to print the data. If you're not including this also, it's fine because in the production, in the sandbox for the testing purpose, we are using a system.debug. Correct. When we are deploying, right, we need to remove the system.debug. Correct. If I'm not wrong,
Yes.
Mitra.
Yes. Yes.
When we are deploying, right,
Yes, ma'am.
can we able to use system.debug?
No, no.
No, right? So we need to remove it. Okay. So it's fine. This is a fine. Okay.
Yes.
So now what's the next step? So from here only it's fine. Okay. We don't want this one. From this here only this fine. We don't want these things. Now I want print. Now I want print the value. So how I can able to see? Just copy the class name and method name. So see here, if I execute right, now I can okay, didn't really get method. Mm, Circle, execute, line number 15. Okay.
Okay. In caps.
Mm, HTTP dot data.
The gate will be in caps or some in the
Sorry.
11th line. In the 11th line, gate GT will that be in caps, like all caps.
No, not like that. HTTP. Okay, it's there. REQ. Line number 15 showing.
It's not able to process that gate. That's it. Not continuing to some type of information.
HTATUS status code and yes dot body get body body. It's correct only. Then why it's showing the error? Again, execute it. Invalid HTTP method get. Okay, it's a invalid showing. Get is invalid showing. Why the invalid showing?
Mm.
Set method. Okay, REQ request set method. Okay, see here. Now I have used a get is a small letters. Correct. Get,
Yes.
save it. If I use now it's working fine. Okay, if I debug only right, then I will see the output. What is the code here?
Mm.
200 and this is a data. What's
Mm.
the last name? Blue avatar and this is a image and these all things we can able to see in the here also. See, it's a user data, correct? If I click the send
Yes.
request right, now I can able to see everything. Blue avatar, this is image.
Same thing.
Okay. So it's a first scenario. See, you can able to see the response also 200. The response should be 200 only. Apart from if the response is one 201 also, then what it will throw? It will throw the error. The integration, it will not pass. The data you will not get. Like you will get here. You will. array- eh, Okay. Here in this debug log, you can able to see here 401 or 501 402. You will get like that.
Mm.
Here you will get a error invalid data. Invalid response you will
Mm.
get here. You will get here error. You will not get the data. The response should be 200. Then only your data is clear. Otherwise, it will not clear. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, just
Yes.
practice this. We can continue tomorrow the main sessions. Okay. Babitra,
Uh, yeah, but
sorry.
you can share the recording also. I think.
Yes,
Yeah, you can share the
I already
recording
shared you,
also.
right?
Okay, in that same folder, I'll find.
Yes, in the same access link only you will get daily recordings.
Okay, 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 fine.
Okay, okay.